A coffee grinder. Well, it stopped working this morning. It stopped working, so I'm trying to look for another coffee grinder because I like to buy the whole beans and grind the coffee myself. Mr. Coffee has one. Seems like it's has a larger compartment. Oh, this bad boy. Wait a second. Mr. Coffee, $24.99, normally $35.99. And this Cuisinart, this is only $19.99, but it has a smaller compartment. It seemed like, I'm getting more. I think I'll like the Mr. Coffee. Oh well, let's see what happens. Let me see what happens. Take care, good people. Decisions.